Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to External Star Channel. My name is Marek, as you already know, and today, after quite a long time, I'm going to unbox this nice model in a long form YouTube video. Okay, so let's go directly to it. And here you see that this box, this is a Platinum Collection Nash Ambassador from 1952. And what is quite interesting, it's a police car. They also had some other cars like that, not police ones, but I chose this one on purpose because I loved it so much. Okay, so now what is so special about this box? Look at that. I can take it, and here you can open it like nothing else at what I have seen until now, and you can see here there is a transparent window, and here you have some description. Okay, so what I will do now is really, first I will unbox the car, second I will review the car, and then I will give it the final rating. So stay with me, click on like even before you continue watching this video. It will help me and attract more collectors like you. And now let's go to it. Alright, so you see here quite a nice model, and as I said, again here, yeah, so you see all the features already here, kind of. On this window there is a suspension, opening hood, opening trunk, opening, all the doors can be opened, yeah, so they say here foldable front seats. Wow, there is a spare tire. There is, I don't know what here. Oh, it's, you can position this individual armrest in the back. Then what else? There is a realistic steering wheel. We have the wipers that can be positioned, both of them. All right, and then here is the car itself. Sunstar. Oh, look at that. Here, that's the car, that's the real car, that's the real model, I should have said. Okay, so now let's go really to see some details. Let me maybe close this first, and then I will just open really the box here. Yeah, this is where you open it if you want to pull out the styrofoam. And here we go, guys, here we go. You see here, it's the Platinum, and I had some really bad experience with Sunstar, which were non-Platinum. So I advise, if you ever buy a Sunstar model, always take a note. Is it a Platinum or not? If not, there is a high level of risk that there will be huge gaps between the doors and the panels. Then there is a huge risk that, for example, there will be some other mistakes, like here the framing of the windows. But if you have Platinum, the expectation is really that there are no gaps, everything is absolutely precise. Like on this model, I can already see that it's so precise. I love it. You see that there is this brochure, and I will just gently put it here. Okay, what do they say actually? They say something about a model, I expect. Okay, let's open this brochure and see what is really there. Yeah, so let's review it a little bit. Oh wow, look at this. The Nash Ambassador, it's like the original from 1952. Whatever you can do here, wow, maybe I will read it later, but here just a preview for you. Very nice interior, a blue one, yeah, and those pictures, I love it, like a family sleeping in the car, and then a family with all the luggage, they take everything with them, and then they go to a trip, yeah, so nice. And now you have the colors. This red one, amazing. You can also buy this one and the green one. And the good thing is that Sunstar is really offering all of them. At least I have seen at least this one. I'm not sure about this one or that one. Maybe I would also buy this one. The color is really amazing, or even now in this 1:18 scale. And this is the golden Airflyte Nash. This is a manufacturer that no longer exists because they went through bankruptcy probably, And yes, one of the vintage cars that now we need to admire, but there is nothing else the nowadays generation would know about Nash. Okay, so obviously there is some tape that I need to cut. And I'm kind of wondering if there are still some people alive who remember this car release date. It's 1952. So if you were about 20, now you would be like 90, 95, something like that. Probably not that many people really remember this car. Yeah? It's so old and so vintage and nice. Okay, so let's, oh, look at that. This plate is somehow, oh, it's around the wheel. How can I just possibly remove this? I don't like how this is attached. Yeah, so I don't want to break anything. Now that's the view of the undercarriage. You see we have a lot of protection here. Like here I will need to cut them all. And also this premium platinum plate, I will just need to remove it. Oh God. Yeah, look at that. It's like a dog tag for soldiers, but it says the Platinum Collection because this is a platinum model. Okay, so what now I will do, let me maybe adjust the camera a little bit, and now really we need to cut all those stripes like here. Yeah, so maybe gently, maybe not, doesn't really matter. Let's do it fast as we can, and then we can review the model, yeah, which is the intention of this video. And I haven't really shot any long form video in a while because it takes quite some time and I don't always have time, but today it's quite exception because there is an ugly weather and I can dedicate some time to this hobby, which I'm doing already for 7 or 8 years. And yeah, this model, wow, suspension, look at that, maybe you didn't see it. The suspension is really present, it's there. Also in the front, wow, it's so deep, like no other car in my collection with such a deep suspension. All right, but that's okay. It's a Kenosha County Sheriff's Department, okay? So now let's open the door. Okay, I can open all of them and show you also the interior. Quite interesting. You see the steering wheel connected to the wheels. Of course, that's the feature we expected. But then also here, okay, can I fold, unfold? A little bit move it. I can a bit move it. But then there is this armrest which I can completely fold and unfold. Now I will keep it in this position, yeah. I also like the red lights here and the speaker. And then one unexpected or unusual thing is this antenna. And I was wondering when I saw this video, when I saw this model, what can I do with that when I'm opening the trunk? So how to really do that so that I don't destroy this, yeah? So when I gently open the trunk, what will happen to the antenna? It will bend a little bit more. Okay, but it didn't break, yeah, luckily. And maybe I will just zoom out a little bit so that you really see the whole model and what I'm doing here. This antenna, it didn't break, it just bent a little bit. And there is this spare tire that they promised in the brochure. I can't really take it out. Very nice license plate saying America's what is it? Dairyland. So is Wisconsin known for producing dairy products, or I don't know, 658007? Any meaning? I'm not sure. There is a nice Nash logo here. Yeah, maybe you can see that now. And there is also this Ambassador or Airflyte sign, but it's covered with a nice transparent sticker. The same like here on the side, there is a sticker over the logo here and another sticker here. Yeah, so maybe it's a little bit scratched here. Can you see that on the camera? Can you see that there is a slight scratch here? Oh God, I don't like the scratch so much. And then I usually started my reviews here in the front, and today is an exception, but look at the front now. Front grille, full chrome, very nice. Nice headlights and turning indicators here. The same yellow license plate, also in the fronts, yeah, so it's quite unusual for all the American cars. Usually they have the license only in the back. Now it also has it here in the front. Great detail. And now let me also open this. Oh, should I open it like that? Maybe not, but who cares? Okay, that's probably the maximum the hinge is capable of. Okay, that's really the maximum. Look at the engine. What does it say? Is it a Jetster? I can't really read it. Yeah, I don't need glasses, but maybe I need a magnifier. All right. So you see here the hinge and the mechanism. Yeah, so this is how it opens. And as I said, this emblem is quite nice. What else do we have? We have also here this sticker. Okay, so let me gently unpack it, and then we have the wipers that you can position any how you want. Okay, and then this glass quite thick, and there's actually there are no windows, no glass, no plastic anywhere here. So if you have it on display, a lot of dust will actually go inside, and then you would need to clean also the seats, which maybe one more time I will just open it, all the doors, all the windows on this beautiful replica, quite heavy. It's fully die cast, yeah, realistic and nice. And now look at the door panels with the door handle and all the controls. Yeah, so very nice. There is an ashtray probably here. It's Nash with an ashtray. Okay, and then inside, as I already told you, very simple car from the 50s. It's a car with a regular combustion engine, yeah, so really a vintage now when we speak about all the electric cars in 2020s. Here this is still something really ancient with a combustion, internal combustion engine. Okay, so probably you heard from your father that in the past they used this kind of engine. Yeah, they had no electric engines in mass production. Of course, the invention is not new, but in the past they just didn't use it so much like now. Okay, it's all a joke, you know that. All right, so that's the model. I hope you like it. Now what I will do maybe to give it a final rating, yeah. And since I will be editing this video on my cell phone, let's now do it like this. Okay, so here I am, here I stand. I will do it live. So probably paint job. This is 10 out of 10 because I don't see any flaws, no overlaps, very nice. Oh, there's only one mistake here, which I realized. Here a bit scratchy, but it could be polished probably by applying more wax. Yeah, so that's not really a problem. So I would say 9 or 10 out of 10. Then the details, yeah, so all the chrome details, all really, everything is so nicely done. So I would say again, maybe 8 out of 10, nothing is really missing. What about the cap or the gas cap? I can't really find it. Maybe it's hidden here in this logo. Sometimes they do it. Okay, so yeah, 8 out of 10. Then what else? The packaging, really great. I love styrofoam box. This must be appreciated. So it came intact, good packaging, good quality. I think also the accuracy. As I said, I have never seen this car live, and probably will never see it because it's... Oh, look at that. There's maybe one more tape that I didn't discover originally. So now let's do it very gently. Look at that. Maybe I should have kept that. There is one more, and it will be even better, more transparent glass. But how to do it without destroying? Okay, here we go. Look at that. Almost invisible, but it was there. And now it's even better. So transparent, shiny. Wow. So Maybe the final rating is nearly here, 9 out of 10. That's the total rating, and I think you will agree with me. If you are collecting vintage American cars, this one should be definitely in your collection. I don't even know how I found it, yeah? So to be honest, I saw the new one in another color, but then I was searching on eBay.com and I saw a seller in Germany selling this one, and usually when it's in Germany, it's in the EU. There is no obligation to pay additional value-added tax. This is why I decided to buy it from Germany, no additional cost. While sometimes when I order it from China, I need to pay the import duties, a very large sum also for transporting the model to the EU. But here, as I said, from a German seller, and it's great. So our table is now a little bit messy with all the stuff around here, and but I must say I really enjoyed unboxing this one. I actually enjoy the unboxing all the time, every time, but now since I had a little bit more time, I'm doing it on camera, and yeah, in the past I did it like every other week. Every week I did one video with myself shooting it on camera, but recently it's like one video like this in 3 months, which is not so much, but maybe it will get better depending on how much free time I'll have. Okay, so again, thank you for watching and experiencing this beautiful model with me, and I promise I will bring more. One of them will be the Rolls-Royce Phantom 8 in black color. Definitely I will make a video with this one, and the rest just short videos on Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Probably you know it if you already subscribed. I'm publishing like one new video every day now, really. I'm crazy, but it also doesn't take so much time like this real full-blown unboxing. So thank you for watching once again. Make sure to subscribe and talk to you next time. Bye!